So yes, I can. All right, let me just show you. Yes, I can first. Let's start with that, and then I can tell you why it's a terrible idea to look at to think about it that way. All right, what are we on? Well, this will do. This will do. This will do. This will do. So let me show you how to find. First of all, here's how to find all of the Facebook ads to get ideas that you'll ever need. And again, I covered this on Thursday night, but let me cover it in smaller detail for you here. So what was that? It is a dog barrier for car, isn't it? Dog barrier for car. There you go. Now look at all these different versions here. Dog barrier for SUV, niche, niche, niche. Dog barrier for trucks, niche. Dog barrier for a specific car, Subaru Forester, Jeep Wrangler. Okay, niches. There's an audience. The person who is looking, who has got a Subaru Forester and has got a dog, wants to see a picture of a Subaru Forester and a dog. That's the very first thing they want to see, okay? Anyway, dog barrier for car. Let's go to that. What have we got here? What's Amazon's choice? That's Amazon's choice. Okay, so here's Amazon's choice for this particular product. Let's just open it up. Here it is. Innovation Next. All right, so if I now come to, let me just copy and paste that. Oops, and then search Google. Is that going to work? No, we'll need to go a little bit more. Inex dog barrier. There you go. Now, does this always work? No, it doesn't always work, but 80% of the time it will work, okay? So I've gone to Google, I've searched for the brand name plus the product, okay? So I'm just going to come back up here and I'm going to open this in a new window, and they've got a website because it's Innovation Products. All right, so now I'm going to see if I can find their Facebook page. Their Facebook page. What have we got? So usually it's all these little things down here. You can see them all here. Usually it's all these little social media buttons, and I can go and look at their page. So let's go and open their page. So here is their Facebook page. Fantastic stuff. We've got all this great information, and the one we want is info and ads. So I'm just kind of bussing ahead. Info and ads. All right, so the active ads for that kind of thing is, my internet's being a bloody slow bar stool. Thank you very much. Come on, hurry up, would you? So you want to come down to, from their page, you come down to info and ads. You said stalling for time. Then click on the most obvious one, which will be the USA. And now I can see all of their Facebook ads. So if I'm launching a product, one of the things I always go look at is what my competitors are doing, not just in Australia, but in the USA, in the UK, wherever it may be, and go and see how they are launching. Go and get ideas for the launchers. Very, very important thing to do. So I go look at that, go and check it all out, and I go and see their Facebook ads. So this is what I'm looked at. Awesome, foursome. I can now see their Facebook ads, what they've been up to. And in doing so, I can get ideas. So Sadiq, can I show you a Facebook ad? Yes. In fact, I've now shown you how to find hundreds of Facebook ads for launching. However, and it's a big however, so for you, I don't want you to just think about this, okay? Because I remember when, I'll tell you a story. So we were in Zurich in Switzerland, and this was quite a long time ago. I didn't have my youngest daughter with. I was with my oldest daughter, who I think was about 4 or 5 at the time. And we were in Zurich, wandering around the city, enjoying the sights. And she got hungry, and she was like screaming her head off because she was so hungry, and nothing would be right. So we had to take her somewhere to eat. But it was a Sunday, and loads of things were closed. Okay, so we had to find her food. There was nowhere to go eat, so we just needed anywhere where we could get some food from. We ended up taking her to this crappy little like burger place to get her something to eat. Now, would I have normally taken her to that shitty place? Not in 100 years. I'd want to give her some good, healthy food. However, when you have a screaming kid and you've just got to solve that screaming kid problem, you just got to solve the problem. So we took it to this shitty burger kind of place to go and get something done. So even though it was a crap choice, because that was the most obvious solution, that's what we went with. Now, how the hell does that apply to marketing things on Amazon? Well, you could have the best advert in the world, but if you put it in front of the wrong people, you will not make any sales. You won't make any sales. Conversely, you could have a shitty burger place, but if you put that shitty burger place in front of a starving kid, then it's the perfect thing and you will make a sale. So if you've got a shitty advert, but you put it in front of the perfect people to buy your product, you will make sales all day long. So the advert is nowhere near as important as the targeting. The targeting on Facebook is exponentially more important than the advert. So Sadiq, I don't want you to think about putting a good advert on Facebook. Instead, I want you to think about putting your advert in front of the right people. Putting your advert in front of the right people. And that will make you far more money than writing a uber brilliant advert. It'll make you far more money simply to do that. I hope that helps, Sadiq. However, I have given you a way to find all of the adverts that you could ever need. Hope that helps. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.